Everyone, this is Steve Lambar with Contract Office Reps of Southern California. Today we're going to talk about the 9 to 5 seating Theory Series chair. This is the 2160 model with A37 arms, optional seat slider, and a Y3 mechanism. Let's begin. So all these instructions are going to be based on you sitting in the chair, okay? On the right-hand side, there's going to be a paddle that allows you to adjust the height. You want to stand out of the chair to raise it. Press your body weight, lift the paddle, fall right back down. Pretty standard for most chairs. Okay. On the left-hand side, there's going to be two paddles. The one towards the middle is going to be your rock and lock. This allows you to recline back in the backrest. If you push down on that paddle, it'll lock the backrest. Now, if it's unlocked, you can lean back and find multiple locking points that feel good for you. Lift it back up and it unlocks. Okay. You also have a ratchet back as well. This allows you to dial in that S curve of the backrest to the S curve of your back. Okay. Once you find a desired position, just make sure that that ratchet is engaged and you're good to go. If you don't like that position, just raise the backrest all the way up, falls back down, and allows you to reset. You also have height adjustable lumbar. You push it down or raise it up. Again, just make sure it feels good in the S curve of your back. All right. Last but not least, and one of the most important, on the right-hand side, on the left-hand side is the seat depth adjuster. This one's quite important for folks because we're all different shapes and sizes. You can slide out or slide in the seat pan. Okay. I find it a little bit easier if you make sure that the backrest is locked first. So remember, push down on that. Backrest is locked. Now you can lift up on the seat depth adjuster paddle, kind of slide forward. Now, the rule of thumb is you kind of want the edge of the seat pan just lightly touching the back of your calf. Okay. Now we have the arm adjustments. Nice 90-degree posture to control the height. This outside button allows you to control the up-down movement. Okay. Inside allows minor adjustment of the pad to slide. The pad will also slide forward and back, as well as pivot for those of you who are using a keyboard tray. All right. Last but not least, on the arm adjustment, there's a knob on the bottom that allows you to adjust the width of the entire arm mechanism. Again, when you find a desired position, just make sure you tighten down that knob pretty good. Okay. That completes the instruction of the 9 to 5 seating Theory chair. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.